What a funny noise. Where are you going?
Just in time. This tea party is terribly tiresome. Could you try to liven things up?
Alphabet! What is this? Why is it doing that? Where is it going? It's the alphabet! But where is the rest of it? G? What is G doing here? Where is D? What about that?
I think they want us to collect them.
Whatever for?
Only one way to find out.
Whistle while we skip along, singing our collecting song. Don't mean to whine, but this bag is getting heavier and heavier.
Let's see if we can make things a bit easier.
Elephant! What a whopper!
With an elephant to help us, we can get the entire alphabet.
Whoa! This is going to take forever! What can we do to go faster? Wheels!
On wheels we can whiz along, singing our collecting song.
Whoa! The sea? Where did that come from?
Surfing is such
Fun! What are we going to do now? We can't swim out to sea. Phooey! This could be a catastrophe. Unless the letters can help us.
Dolphin! Better fishing in the sea is such fun. Whoop, whoop, whoopee!
Where are the other letters?
Up here!
Whoosh! What fun!
Thank you, Dolphin.
Tally-ho, travellers!
How many letters did you get?
Did you find the whole alphabet? 24, 25. We're one letter short.
Too bad. I hoped it would make this tea party a bit more toe-tapping.
Which letter is missing? Oh. Which letter? Z. We've got the whole alphabet in one bag.
Every word under the sun.
Phenomenal! Whoopee!
Tip-top! Now that's what I call a tea party.
Alphablocks!
My name is Inky Pinky Dinky.
Excellent! My name is Edward Elephant!
Yes! And my name is Yo-Yo! Hello, Amanda Panda.
Hello, Ariella Bella Giraffe.
Hello, Apple Tree.
That's not my name.
My name is... Hello? No, my name is... Hello, Hick!
You've got hiccups.
I know what to do. Stand on your head. Look at yourself backwards in the mirror.
Everyone, emergency! A has hiccups!
I think you've done it, E. My name is... What is my name?
Who am I? I can't say. It seems to have slipped my mind. But maybe with help from my friends here today, I'll leave all my troubles behind.
Excuse me?
I think we can help you say your name. A.
When I'm with Y, we make a bright year.
A.
Day.
When I'm with Y, there's always time to
A. Play.
So stay by me, soon we'll be on our
A. Way.
Yes, my name is... What is my name? A. I'm happy with I, like a puppy that's wagging its tail. I'm sticking with I, and soon we'll be on the trail. I'm with I, together we're setting sail. Yes, my name is... I can't do it.
A.
And when Magic E does his magic on me, and we play a little game. I can bake a cake, land on a snake. He can make me say my name. My name is A.
Yippee!
Thank you, friends. I couldn't have done it without you. When I'm with Y, we say A. When I'm with I, we say A. And when Magic E does his magic on me,
We say A.
So what do you say, team? You're on the A-team. And with you by my side, I'm gonna be A-okay.
Alphablocks!
I'm a jay. Watch me fly and hear me sing. Hello, Jay. I'm a jay. Yes, you're a jay. No, I'm a jaybird. Ah? I can fly in the sky and sing sweet bird song. What's that incredible noise? The sweet song of a jolly jaybird. Jolly nonsense. This is singing. You're a jaybird too. You have a lucky dot, and so do I. We're the same. See? I am not a jaybird. I am I. I can sing. You can't. I am straight. You have a curly bit. Ah! But I can sing. Listen. Why are you making that noise? I'm not a jaybird, am I?
No.
Then what am I?
Let's jolly well find out.
Jam.
Am I jam? All sweet and smelling of strawberries? If I'm not jam, then what am I? Jar. Am I a jar? A jar for putting things in? Where is everybody? If I'm not a jar, then what am I? J. Am I a jaybird? I can fly.
She can fly.
Up to the sky, I can see.
She can swim.
It's a beautiful thing.
Tell us why.
Haven't you heard? I am a real jaybird.
We can laugh. We can sing. La 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 la.
We can make
Anything. Hold my hand.
make a magical land. When letters get together, we go alakazam.
We can run. We can slide. We can hide in a box. Are you ready for some fun with the Alpha?